Imagine you're sitting on your couch on a Tuesday night, scrolling through an app. You see a pair of sneakers for $85. You like them, but you don't exactly need them. Still, you click Add to Cart. Suddenly, you're hit with the one thing every modern consumer hates: a $12.99 shipping fee. That $13 feels like a personal insult. It feels like you're being robbed. You think to yourself, I am not paying $13 just to have a box moved to my house. But then you see the banner at the top of the screen. Spend $15 more to unlock free shipping. Your brain lights up. It feels like a challenge, a way to beat the system. You head back to the store and find a pack of socks for $18. You already have a drawer full of socks, but by adding them, you save that $12.99 fee. Mathematically, you just spent $103 to avoid spending $98. You paid $5 more just to get something for free. This isn't a lapse in judgment. It's a targeted neurological exploit called the zero price effect. And it is the foundation of a trillion-dollar empire. To understand why this works, we have to look at how our brains perceive value. In standard economics, we assume humans are rational. If an item costs $10 with free shipping or $5 with $5 shipping, a rational person shouldn't care. The total is the same. But humans are not rational. When we see the word free, it isn't just a price, it's an emotional trigger. It signals a complete lack of risk. In our evolutionary history, loss was dangerous, but free meant there was no downside. When you see that shipping is free, the part of your brain responsible for fear and hesitation relaxes, while your reward center goes into overdrive. Retailers know that shipping is the ultimate pain point. Paying for a service you can't see or touch feels like dead money. By removing that fee, the retailer is effectively anesthetizing the part of your brain that tells you to stop spending. It's a psychological local anesthetic that numbs the sting of the price tag, allowing you to spend more often without ever feeling the burn. This is the heart of the Prime illusion. Take a look at the Amazon Prime model. On the surface, it's a great deal. You pay an annual fee of $139, and in exchange, you get free 2-day shipping on everything. But the moment you pay that membership fee, your psychology shifts due to the sunk cost fallacy. Because you've invested in the ecosystem, you feel a subconscious need to get your money's worth. If you need dish soap or a toaster, you don't check the local store or compare prices online. You go straight to Amazon because you've already paid for the shipping. Statistics show that the average non-Prime member spends about $600 a year on the platform, while the average Prime member spends over $1,400. Amazon didn't charge you for shipping, they charged you for your loyalty and your search intent. This system relies on the total removal of friction. In the old world, buying something required effort, getting in a car, driving to a store, and standing in line. Those were all opportunities for your brain to ask, do I really need this? Online retail, combined with free shipping, reduces that gap between desire and ownership to a single click. The dopamine hit happens the second you hit buy. By the time the box arrives 2 days later, the high has worn off, and you're often left with a product you've already forgotten why you wanted. The math of this illusion is even more staggering when you look at the long-term cost of filler items. If you shop online twice a week and add a $15 item just to hit a free shipping threshold, you are spending $30 a week on things you didn't want to save $16 in shipping fees. That's $14 of pure waste every week, which adds up to over $728 a year. If you invested that waste into a basic index fund over 30 years, that free shipping habit would cost you over $80,000 in retired wealth. You are literally trading your future financial freedom for a junk drawer full of batteries and cheap charging cables. To break this cycle, you have to reintroduce strategic friction. The most powerful thing you can do is start paying the shipping fee. If you need a $20 item and the shipping is $7, just pay it. Do not add $15 of junk to reach a $35 threshold. Paying that $7 keeps the pain of paying alive and serves as a reminder of the real cost of the transaction. It keeps your financial immune system online. You should also implement a 48-hour cart quarantine. When you add something to your cart, wait 2 full days before checking out. Usually, once the initial dopamine spike fades, you'll realize the item wasn't actually necessary, and you'll delete the cart entirely. We live in an age where convenience is marketed as the highest virtue. But in the world of finance, nothing is ever truly free. If you aren't paying for the shipping, you are paying with your data, your future compounding interest, and your space at home. The prime illusion is designed to make you feel like a savvy shopper while funneling you into a cycle of infinite consumption. The next time you see a banner telling you to spend $5 more for free shipping, recognize it for what it is: a trap. Close the tab, walk away, and embrace the friction. Your future self will thank you for it.